Systems of equations. Systems of equations are a first example of a two-dimensional element, where the simultaneous management of elements arranged on several lines is used. To insert the system, select from the Insert menu, Insert, Equation System. There is no shortcut key already assigned, nor is it possible to associate a special key using the profile. This is because a system of equations is not just any element, but a more complex structural element. It is always possible yet through the combination Alt plus I, which allows you to go inside the menu. Then type the letter E, then Alt plus IE, and then E. Let's see how it appears. With an open-close structure in which there is a brace that refers to the symbol in black of system of equations, but preceded and followed by a dot that identifies this particular structure. That is, it's not just a brace. We saw how it fits with Alt plus IE by accessing the menu. Within the structure, it is therefore possible to write the two equations. Let's rewrite the one we had just written. X plus y equals 0. The first, and then through Enter, it is possible to go to a new line and insert the second. There may also be systems that have three equations. Just start a new line and eventually enter the third or fourth equation. Let's visualize through F4 the correspondence in black of the structure in graphic mode. And now let's try to solve the system. For the moment, let's stop at just two equations. In order to solve the system, it is important to manipulate both equations at the same time, and then go for substitutions. This procedure is very long because it is necessary to copy both expressions each time, even when one is already solved. In this case, we use then the duplicate expression command that can be inserted through Ctrl plus D. It is particularly useful because it allows you to quickly and automatically copy the expression. For example, you can bring x to the other side, so y equals minus x, and then in the second you'll substitute, and instead of y you will write minus x. At this point, Ctrl plus D again allows us to solve the system. In truth, the equation was equal to 1 when it was first written. Let's proceed further. 3x, then a minus 2 times minus 2, and here is plus 2x. Here too you can only move with the arrows, so plus 2x equal to 1, and therefore the sum is 5x, and so on. In the graphics window, the teacher checks that the writing is exactly what one would expect.